What is paranormal? The term paranormal refers to experience or phenomena that are not currently explainable by science or the laws of nature. This may include experiences such as ghosts, hauntings, psychic activities, telekinesis, UFO sightings, and other similar phenomena that are not easily explained or understood by conventional science. The study of the paranormal is a field of interest to many people, and there are a variety of different approaches to investigating and understanding this phenomena. Some people believe in the existence of the paranormal, while others are skeptical and view such experiences as hoaxes or simply unexplained, but ultimately natural phenomena. Overall, the study of the paranormal is an area of ongoing debate and discussion with no definitive answers yet available. Paranormal history has been studied for centuries, with ancient cultures having their own interpretations sense of supernatural events. However, it was not until the late 19th and early 20th century this scientific study of paranormal phenomena began to take shape. Researchers such as William James, Charles Richard, and J.B. Rhine conducted experiments in telepathy, clairvoyance, and psychokinesis, among other areas. In the mid-20th century, interest in the paranormal surged in part due to the publication of books such as The Amityville Horror and Chariots of the Gods. This led to an increase in paranormal investigations and research, with organizers such as the Society for Psychical Research and the American Society for Psychical Research conducting studies and investigations into various paranormal phenomena. Today, paranormal history continues to be studied by both believers and skeptics, with the rise of technology allowing for new methods of investigation and documentation. While some paranormal phenomena remain unexplained, others have been debunked through scientific investigation. Nonetheless, the study of paranormal history remains a fascinating and controversial topic. However, there have been many reported incidents of paranormal activity that have frightened people throughout history. Some famous cases includes: first, the Amityville Horror. The Lutz family moved into a house in Amityville, New York, where a mass murder had taken place the year before. They claimed to have experienced a series of terrifying paranormal events, including poltergeist activity and demonic apparitions. Second, the Enfield poltergeist in 1977. A family in Enfield, England reported that their home was haunted by a poltergeist. The case was investigated by the Society for Psychical Research and was one of the most documented cases of paranormal activity in history. Third, the Bell Witch. In the early 19th century, a family in Tennessee claimed to be haunted by a witch named Kate Batts. The well, which reportedly tormented the family with physical attacks and disembodied voices, and the case remains unsolved to these days. Fourth, the exorcism of Anneliese Michel. In 1976, a 23-year-old German woman named Anneliese Michel died after undergoing a series of exorcisms. Michel had been diagnosed with epilepsy and schizophrenia, but her family and priests believed she was possessed by demons. The case has been the subject of much controversy and scrutiny. Fifth, the Brown Lady of Raynham Hall. In 1936, two photographers claimed to have captured a photo of a ghostly woman at Raynham Hall in Norfolk, England. The photo, which shows a translucent figure descending a staircase, has become one of the most famous ghost photographs in history. Sixth, the Mothman. In the 1960s, residents of Point Pleasant, West Virginia reported sightings of a mysterious creature with glowing red eyes, wings, and a humanoid body. The creature became known as the Mothman and was said to have caused strange phenomena such as power outages and animal mutilations. Seventh, the Poltergeist of Rosenheim. In the 1960s and 1970s, a law office in Rosenheim, Germany was plagued by a poltergeist. The poltergeist reportedly caused objects to move and lights to flicker, and was witnessed by numerous people, including police officers and journalists. Eighth, the Ghosts of Gettysburg. Gettysburg, Pennsylvania is considered one of the most haunted places in the United States due to the intense battle that took place there during the Civil War. Visitors to the area have reported seeing ghostly soldiers, hearing cannon fire, and experiencing strange phenomena such as cold spots and the feeling of being watched. 9th. The Bridgewater Triangle. The Bridgewater Triangle is an area in Massachusetts that has been associated with paranormal activity for decades. The triangle is said to be haunted by ghosts, UFOs, and cryptids such as Bigfoot and the Dover Demon. 10th. The Winchester Mystery House. The Winchester Mystery House is a mansion in San Jose, California that was built by Sarah Winchester, the widow of the firearms magnate William Wirt Winchester. Winchester believed that her family was cursed and that building the house would appease the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles. The house features numerous oddities, such as staircases that lead to nowhere and doors that open onto walls. 11th. The Dybbuk Box. The Dybbuk Box is a wine cabinet that is said to be haunted by a Dybbuk, a malevolent spirit from Jewish folklore. The box was first owned by a Holocaust survivor and was later sold on eBay, where it was purchased by a museum curator. The curator reported a series of strange events, including nightmares and unexplained smells, and the box has since been the subject of numerous investigations. 12th. The Haunted Doll. Annabelle. Annabelle is a Raggedy Ann doll that is said to be haunted by the spirit of a young girl. The doll was owned by a nursing student in the 1970s and was said to have caused a series of terrifying incidents, including scratches and attacks on the student's fiancé. The doll is now housed in the Warrens Occult Museum in Connecticut.